Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Budgeting and Savings with V. I'm Vonda Shourn, and on today's episode, 10 ways college students waste money. So if you are a college student and you have just gone back to school, I want you to hone into these 10 things and really think about them. Try your best to avoid them going forward. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go. Number one, food. Going out to eat can really add up as a college student. First of all, I'm not a college student anymore, but when you are a college student, you don't really have a lot of money. You're already kind of struggling and a little poor. So you just gotta cook at home or buy groceries. Get mom and dad to buy your groceries before they leave. You guys are a lot smarter than what we were back when 20 years ago when I was in college. And so now you guys have apps. You guys have HelloFresh, that's meal delivery services where they have everything mapped out for you. So definitely look into some of those. You can also make a meal menu plan. If you say, I don't know how to do any of that, you definitely can look on Pinterest. You can look here on the YouTube and see, if there's some things that you are interested in. I know that chicken can really go a long ways, and you can make several different meals with chicken. Okay? Oh, excuse me. Books. Books should have been number one. I don't know if you guys know, but I know even back 20 years ago, the average cost of books, which I think it's a lot higher, they say it's $600, but I think it's a lot higher than that now. But guys, come closer. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Your professor has put the textbook on reserve in the library. So that means you can go to the library and check that book out, use it to do your homework, or make copies. And hey, that is an affordable way. You can also become friends with somebody in the library and they will make copies for you for free. So it pays to make friends, in high places. Okay, so definitely think of that. Also, if you don't like any of those ideas, you can check out Half Price Bookstore. Some people resell their books, on resale places. You can also look on the tip of my tongue, on eBay. You can look on there. Also, you can look on Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, or if it's somebody cute, in your class, be their friend. But be their friend because you want to be their friend. Don't use them, Or you can just ask them, can you make copies of their book, Late fees. You guys have so much more opportunity than what we had. Late fees can be avoided. You can set, because I know all you guys have iPhone, you can set a reminder in your phone, okay? You can set a reminder to let you know when something is due, because those late fees get very costly when you miss deadlines. Plus, you are getting ready to be a young adult when you get out of college, and so you don't want to keep missing deadlines, because that will cost you hefty. So try to get on the right track while you're still young and developing, okay? Printing cost. Most libraries, like I said earlier, have, where you can print. Also, some libraries in some places charge you, but if you show them your student ID, you would definitely get a discount. Electronics. Woo. This is y'all's generation, baby. Y'all have all the gadgets. You got the iPods, you got the Beat headphones, you got the iPads, laptops. I don't even know what else y'all have. You don't have to be the first person to get something when it first drops, okay? Think of it like this: one, delayed gratification, and two, what if that item has a bug or a malfunction? and then you got it when it first dropped. Now there is more issues. So think about it that way, okay? So just wait, wait for somebody to resell it. Make sure that, the reviews are really good, because, sometimes they pay people to get them a review. Close. You guys, y'all are in this generation where you really have to bring it. Like, you have to really have the latest, from Fashion Nova, Shein, all the name brand stuff, the big name brands. So you definitely can go to Goodwill and thrift stores and find good outfits. Just remember your why. While you're in school, which is to get an education. Education will then lead you to a better paying job and not have to live paycheck to paycheck and be struggling and in poverty and miserable and cannot enjoy life. Okay? Trust me. Room and board can cost you up to over $10,000 a year. So, with that being said, once you're past your freshman year, look to see if there is some off-campus housing and do the math. Do the math first, okay? Because it may cost you a lot less to stay off campus, okay? Not using your student discount. See, we just talked about that. A lot of places, and you can Google them before you go, will give you a discount for you being a student. Like there's places at the restaurant, retailers offer student discounts, senior citizen discounts. So definitely, check those out. I had to save this one for last. Skipping class. On an average, students over the course of 4 years skip an average, this on the low end, 8 classes while they in college. But I really think that it's a lot higher, because if you don't like a class, or you don't like the professor, or you can't understand what the hell they saying, then you ain't going to that class too often, okay? So let me just be the first to tell you that. Please don't skip class. Didn't we just talk about that on number 8? How much room and board can cost. So basically, you are paying for this education. You don't want to waste any of your money. Now, if it's before the drop deadline, then drop that class and ask around who is a better professor than the one that you have. That's how you be smart about it. If you go the first week and you see you and Professor Kumbaya ain't getting along, then you definitely, say, you know what, this is not gonna work. And you have the right to do that. So don't let nobody make you feel bad, because then if you mess around and make an F, you're gonna have to repay for that class. So get out before it's too late, which is before the drop date, and then switch or change for another professor, or take that class during a mini semester or a winter break or in the summertime. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Make sure you like, thumbs up this video, leave me some comments. I can't wait to interact with you guys down below. Bye.